Oh, all right, welcome. Working on 2011 Dodge Ram, swapping the CV shaft. So we had to take the brake caliper off, and I made a big boo-boo. As you can see, it's broken. So what I did was be an idiot, but besides the point. Oh my God, stay. As you see on the back of this pad, there's those little nipples, and if you don't pry the caliper, the piston away from the pad and try to pry the caliper off, you end up breaking the plastic piston. Wow, I can't believe it's plastic. That's bullshit. Anyways, so yeah, don't do that, because it'll cost you. Because now I gotta replace the caliper. Oh, what fun. Another little tip for you if you're doing a CV shaft: don't stick a ratchet strap around it to there and just crank the hell of it while beating it with a hammer, because if it's seized in place, you're gonna pull the whole shaft out.
I'd have to look and see. I'm pretty sure it's around 20
Yeah,
bucks.
that happened. So
They wouldn't.
yeah,
They
night's been going good.
They started hiring.
All right, back to doing what I've done. We got to get the shaft out of the coupler. I'm just gonna pound a bolt down through there. All right, might need some heat for this, but let's see how it goes. All right, let's see. Hopefully this comes out. Obviously that was gonna happen. Oh no. I'm gonna put a definitely should put something under there. I'm gonna do that. Give me a second. Take two. This is not gonna work, obviously. See? I knew it. Who uses wood? This isn't right. This is possibly the worst way of doing it ever. It doesn't help this shit's around it. Yep. It's just gonna burn wood. This is gonna take a long time. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's the spot. This is gonna do absolutely nothing. Nothing. He's like pouring these guys. Oh no, the pressure's going down. Hopefully we'll get this to expand enough. Oh yeah. Here we go. Is that enough? I don't know. Give it some more. I guess more. We're gonna give it a go though. Here we go. Man, I wish I had better. Ow! This is not working. Come on, dude. I know what. Bigger hammer. Wow. She's really in there, boys. Oh. This is just the wrong setup. Okay, all right. I know this isn't ideal, but look at that. Fits perfect. Oh, that's so much louder. No. That's hot, fellas. Round 2. Ooh, that's hot. I don't think it's gonna work, boys. Ha! 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 So hot. Alright, call it quits for tonight. Alright, here's where we're at. I don't know if that goes all the way through, so I don't know if I'm hitting the shaft or not. So now we're gonna move on to the cutting wheel, cut her off, because you know, why not? Alright, so it does go all the way through. Now we know. Look at that. Precise cutting. Alright, now I guess I'm gonna score this. I'm gonna cut a line on the side of this and split it. See? Just score a line pretty close. Let it open and then it'll split. Just gotta do it on the other side and she'll be off, hopefully. Right, because it's spline, I can't slip it off. I'm gonna have to cut it into 4s. Awesome. There we have it. One more line, split it, done. Yes! All it took was a grinder. God damn. Forgot to videotape that. I got the shaft back in. So I pretty much put the C-clip back on and just kind of pounded it through real gentle like, because a bolt broke. So, you know, this truck has just been a nightmare. So now, put the new shaft on, get this off, change the caliper, bleed the caliper, good to go. Holy, what a nightmare this was. Alright, new axle, CV shaft, ready to go in. We got our anti-seized up. I'm gonna slide it in. Oh, we're gonna anti-seize those splines too. Alright, let's do this. Sorry it's all choppy video, but I know you don't want to just watch me wrench on this. Alright, so here's where we are. I had that slipped on, but this is too long to fit in there. You have to drop the ball joint, which I had the whole way of the truck pounding on this thing. The ball joint didn't pop. So now what I'm praying is I can put this side in and slip that one into place. Fingers crossed, because this has just turned into a nightmare. Wow. Let's see what happens. Alright, that worked perfectly. So as you can see, it's through, and now got lots of room. So, whew, finally something going right. Alright, I'm gonna chuck it all back together, because this is just taking way too long. Here we go. Alright, everything back together. Just gotta torque that down, putting on the new brake bracket caliper, bleed that sucker, and we done, finally. Alright, brakes are on. Grab my torque wrench, torque that down, bleed the system. Alright, we're almost there, fellas. Ladies, if you're watching, if anyone's watching. It's been a lot of fun. Alright, axle nuts torqued to 185. Gravity bled, you can see the juice in there. Just gonna wait for guys to show up. We're gonna do 1 or 2 pedal pumps and then tire on, send him on his way. Woo! That was a lot of fun.